initiatives for the research future agenda. So this paper indicators and also content of articles relevant to the public budgeting reforms in general and zero budgeting and cloud software in particular. All the data and articles has been published at the journal indexed, and the main sources, it is the only sources I have used this article and import that article. It was Scopus data with using bibliometric and content analysis Scopus data, and also with some limitation and criteria which called the study protocol. I just limit all the articles that has been published in English language and with keywords that visualize and mapping the RStudio and also voice viewer software. So after I limit my search everything, to the criteria that has been conducted, adopted for this study, 477 articles. It is the total articles that have been exported in BibTeX format and also in CVS format. So based on the data analysis and using the RStudio and voice software, there is some of the conclusion that I have notes. One of that the most productive articles has been published related to the public budgeting reform and zero-based budgeting has been published at the main journal, which is Public Budgeting and Finance. It is rank 1 journal, and also another journal. It is Abstract and Health Management Studies. Here with this, I try with this. The main conclusion that I have after I do all the analysis, I find out that there is a growth in how to say literature since the last 4 decades in terms of public budgeting reform and also in general, and zero-based budgeting and cloud software in particular. So this is the main keywords that will emphasize and will be investigated in this paper, which is public budgeting reform, zero-based budgeting, cloud software, bibliometric, and also the main software, web software which is RStudio and voice viewer. With the introduction, I try to highlight the study. I try to highlight what is the main benefit for using the bibliometric analysis, and what is the main expectation and result that I wanted to get from this conducting this analysis. The study used this, this paper design contain 4 steps. The first one, which is presenting what is the main keywords that I have used when I do the search using the title, abstract, and keywords, which is include the main themes that I wanted to do conduct bibliometric analysis for, plus the other relevant terms that associated with that main themes. Initially, during the search with the Scopus data, I find out, and in terms of public budgeting, there is 480 articles, 8 articles, 79 related to the zero-based budgeting, 485 related to cloud, and 14 articles related to something what is called new budget. It was 986. After, implementing this, study protocol criteria to do limitation, I mean, for the search that can, I mean, help to achieve the paper, I mean, aims. The net articles, it becomes only 477 articles. That this, I mean, total of articles. I send it, I export, and I start, I mean, using the RStudio and voice viewer to do the necessary analysis. Yes.
Can you explain how do you actually combine the 477?
Actually, the way I have used, there is, I mean, I refer to one of my, I mean, friends. He is a specialist in technology. So there is a tools at, first of all, I how to say, export this files in three folders. Then after that, I send it to my friend. He used a tool called Margin BibTeX